The address here is 2100 North Central Road, and this building is right near entrance to George Washington Bridge in Fort Lee. I don't know what's going on with it, but it looks like it's coming apart. Some of the windows are boarded up with wood. Walk over to see. It's kind of a shame because it's located in a nice, convenient area. See what's going on. Doesn't look too good. Yeah, what's going on with this building?
We're renovating the building. Who are you?
Are you guys fixing?
I'm sorry?
Are you guys gonna fix it or?
Yeah, we're gonna.
Oh, okay. I have a YouTube channel, so I'm just making
really?
video. Yeah. So is it going to be condemned, or you don't mind if I ask you?
No, it's gonna be renovated, but I don't know. You should ask the landlord. You should not ask us.
But you guys
the
are like,
contractor.
oh, okay, all right. You're contractors.
Yeah.
So
But
you.
it's not allowed to be here. It's
Oh,
not
I
safe.
see. Okay. Well, if it's not safe, it's not even
safe. You
locked
can be
up.
outside.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I just wish
You have
that
to go
they.
outside, honey. Yes.
All right. Okay. All right. So you don't know
Not
what's
safe.
going
Something
on.
Happen, maybe God forbid.
You think something might happen?
Nothing will happen. You have to just be outside. This is not
Okay.
allowed for
All right.
people.
No, I'm just saying that it looks like it's gonna come apart.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice.
Oh, you think so? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.